Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Point Edward, Ontario, a charming village located right at the mouth of the St. Clair River near Sarnia. This area has a history that dates back to the 1800s when it grew as a small port and fishing community. The village is known for its scenic waterfront, local parks, and cozy streets that invite a relaxing walk. The area has grown over the years while still keeping its welcoming and peaceful feel. People enjoy boating, fishing, and exploring the trails that follow the shoreline. The village's history and location give it a unique story that locals are proud of. Whether you're visiting for a walk along the waterfront, exploring local attractions, or just enjoying a peaceful drive, Point Edward offers a warm and memorable experience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Point Edward, Ontario. Thanks for watching.